Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up your immutable backup storage with bucket level immutability with a fixed retention period. The key benefits of Ahsay's immutable backup solution are combining data immutability and total storage management. 1. Data immutability with enhanced security. Ahsay's solution ensures complete data immutability, safeguarding against threats like ransomware, hackers, malicious employees, and human error, in addition to high levels of data security maintained throughout the backup process and when the data is at rest with AES 256-bit encryption and two-factor authentication. 2. Flexible storage management. Unlike other immutable backup solutions, Ahsay provides customers with the option for total storage management. Customers can adjust backup data retention periods and/or delete outdated or obsolete data based on changing business or regulatory requirements. As it is not restricted to initial immutable storage retention policies, the result is an extremely secure and cost-efficient storage management. But if you're worried that your data may still be compromised, for instance, if hackers were able to get hold of the root login credentials to your cloud service account, they would be able to delete your backup data even if immutability is enabled. We'll guide you through setting up an alternative immutable storage option with a fixed retention period. Under this setup, the backup data remains unchangeable and undeletable until the retention period expires, even if it becomes obsolete. Not even root login credentials can delete this data. While some customers find this approach more secure, it is essential to note that storage costs will be significantly higher. In our example, we'll use Wasabi Cloud to set up the fixed retention immutable storage option. 1. Enable Wasabi compliance mode. This bucket level setting prevents object deletion and changes until the retention period expires. It also provides proof of data integrity since data inception. And 2. Lock compliance mode. Once locked, compliance mode settings cannot be changed. It is no longer possible to disable compliance mode or reduce the retention period. Go to the Wasabi console and enter your credentials to log in. Select Buckets. Click on Create Bucket. Enter a bucket name and select a region. Then click on Create Bucket. After the bucket is created, go to Actions and click on Settings. Under the Compliance tab, switch on Compliance Mode. Enter the retention policy and click Save. Click on Lock Compliance, type the word Agree, and click Lock. Take note, once locked, compliance mode settings cannot be disabled without Wasabi customer support intervention. Verify the immutability of the Wasabi bucket. Wasabi will show different error messages depending on the type of object you are deleting in an immutable bucket. Create a new folder and upload some files. First, try to delete a single file. An error message will appear stating that the file selected cannot be deleted as Wasabi compliance is enabled and the object's retention period has yet passed. Now try to delete all files in the bucket. A different error message will appear stating the delete operation could not be performed for some of the selected objects. The same error message will appear if you try to delete a folder. What happens if you try to delete a whole immutable bucket? Different layers of confirmation will be requested from the user. An error message will appear, specifically mentioning that the bucket you tried to force delete has compliance on and is not empty. An immutable bucket does not only protect your data from getting deleted, but also modified. When we try to rename a bucket, the option cannot be selected. When you try to rename a folder, the option is unavailable. And that is how to set up and validate fixed data immutability on Wasabi Cloud for Ahsay immutable backups. After setting up your immutable bucket, do not forget to create your policy as well as create users and access keys for a safer and more secure data storage. Achieve your ultimate goal of complete data protection. Secure, reliable, affordable. Ahsay. Keep your data safe with us.